If you know these three interview formats, you can prepare for any interview questions and you can answer any interview questions even if you're not prepared. Watch the video till the end. I will explain you these three interview formats so that you can crack any interview. Hey, hi, my name is Dennis. Whatever I learned last 10 years, I want to share and teach through these videos. If you like to learn about career, interview, public speaking or personal development, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Let's learn today's topic. Whenever we prepare for an interview, we'll have these things in our mind. What kind of questions they'll ask? Will they ask questions from resume, out of resume, about my experience? We'll be a little worried and concerned because of the kind of questions they'll be asking in the interview. So today I'm gonna share in three different interview formats. If you understand these three interview formats, all the questions asked in interviews comes from these three interview formats. So all the interview questions are asked from these three interview formats: resume based questions, behavior based questions, and situation based questions. When you understand these three different formats and the kind of questions they ask under these formats, you can face any interview questions even if you're not prepared. So what are resume based questions? Resume based questions are those questions asked from your resume about yourself, your age, your education, your place of birth, family details, education, experience, and your objective, why you want to apply for the job. So these questions are asked to match with your resume. These questions are asked to check how confident you are. Do you know to explain whatever you're saying? Is it matching with your resume? So very important, very basic, which we all know. Resume based questions are the common interview questions asked to understand about your profile. The second format is behavioral based question. Behavior based questions are asked to understand your past and to predict your future. So by asking this question, they'll understand what kind of person you are, what kind of person you were, and what kind of person you will be in the future if they hire you to their company. So they want to understand how and what you did in the past, and they want to judge or predict your future in the organization. So what are the examples of behavioral questions? Usually behavioral questions will be like, tell me a time or give me an example. Say you mentioned your strength as leadership. I have a leadership quality. They might ask, tell me a time where you demonstrated leadership in your previous organization, or give me an example where you were creative in doing something. So they want to understand a real life situation which happened, a real life example which happened in the past. So to understand how you did what you did and to predict how you'll do if similar situations arise. Even tell me about your strengths and weaknesses is also a part of a behavioral question, to understand what's your strength, what's your weakness, are you aware of your strength and weakness. So when they ask this question, they can understand what kind of behavior you have with the answer that you give. Usually these behavior questions, when you answer for these behavior questions, you need to ensure that you talk about a situation, you talk about an action, and also you talk about a result. So your answer need to have these three elements. For example, you can say, in my previous organization, there was one particular project where a boss, he came and he asked, who want to take up this project? It's going to be a little complex. You need to put a lot of time. No one came forward. So what I did, I went forward and I took up the project. I said, I will do it. And it was really challenging. With the help of my boss, with the help of other teammates, we did some understanding, we did some research, and I was able to deliver along with my teammates, along with other teams. I and my team were able to deliver the project successfully within the time frame given. Hey, if you like the video so far, if you have learned, hit that like button and watch the video till the end. I will give you a bonus format which helped me to crack interviews. Okay, the third format is situational questions. Situational questions are asked to understand how will you face a situation, how will you overcome a challenge. For example, what would you do? How will you manage? So it could be these kind of questions. What would you do if a customer is really upset? How would you manage when your boss is upset because you didn't submit a project? So they want to understand how will you solve a problem. They want to understand your planning skills. They want to evaluate your critical knowledge, your critical skill towards a problem. So by asking these questions, situational questions, they want to evaluate, can you perform in certain situation in their workplace? Are you a person who can overcome challenges with the current role that you are taking? You can also get these kind of questions. Are you ready to relocate? What would you like to accomplish in next 3 weeks or 3 months? So these questions will, put you in a situation where you need to come up with immediate answers, or they want to test you. Can you come up with solution? Do you take time? Are you quick in making decisions? So they want to understand how you will react in a situation and how you respond to a question. They want to understand you so that they can evaluate you for the role that you have applied. Understanding how questions are asked will help you to frame your answers. So all the interview questions are asked usually from these formats: resume-based questions, behavior-based questions, and situation-based questions. Hey, as I mentioned to you, here's the bonus format. The bonus format is nothing but you need to be prepared to answer a question out of resume, question out of your professional experience. Yes, they will ask you question, tell me something different about yourself, something interesting about yourself, or something which no one knows. So you need to even be prepared not only with behavior or situational or resume based questions, but also something different, something unique about yourself. So this shows that you're prepared, you're ready, and you're confident to give any interview questions. I'm sure you learned a few formats which will help you for your upcoming interviews. Hi, if the video was helpful to you, click that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting many such videos which will help you to prepare for an interview, prepare for your career, and prepare for your personal development. So thank you so much for watching. Ta-da!